Good evening, Professor. My name is Terrance Bailey. I'm in your Physics 133 class, and I'm doing lab number 4, which is essentially testing buoyancy through floating of different objects. I'm going to flip it around now. As you could see, it was quite the experiment. So I got some failed attempts over here that didn't end up working out. But we do have a successful one. It's kind of bending back, but anyways. So there's my ID, 5794206. So essentially, this lab is testing the buoyancy of the object. So the first thing I did was I had a stick I cut in half. I used the red, used the yellow initially, but it seemed just to be a little bit too thin here. I couldn't make it full. So we ended up going with the red, which is a little bit thicker. So I dropped this into the water, into the beaker. As you can see, it's 150 milliliters. This actually is my sodium one right now. So I ended up having to pour it into a bigger one because the boat wouldn't fit edge to edge. So I ended up pouring 150 milliliters of water into here. Then I poured it into here, tested the buoyancy, poured this back into here. Or no, poured this back into here, created salt. Oh no, put another 150 milliliters, added 5 teaspoons of salt, and then from there, put this again back in there. So this is my regular one, this is my non-sodium one right now. So I ended up putting this into here. So I dropped that in there. It is now thinning out very bad. I actually have a hole in it right there now, but and I was finally able to get this to float. Like I said, I couldn't get the yellow over here for whatever reason. I tried with the 4 bent up and it just would not go. But we did have a successful one here. After that, I took these washers and I started dropping them in the middle like so. I only got 2 before it started to submerge. A third one kind of fell in there, but I think 2 was actually the limit. So, and then with the salt, when I put the salt in, I recreated it. The salt became more dense, or the salt made the water more dense, which therefore added more, or was able to add more washers. At that time, I got 3 for sure, and then the 4th one was teetering. So yeah, one of the messier ones, but overall, I would say it's a successful one. Was able to learn a good amount from it, and I appreciate it. That's all I have. Thank you. Have a good night.